This powerful, maintenance-free, dual-trumpet electric horn is made of a 100% non-magnetic stainless steel material with a bright polished finish that will not rust. Specially designed for exterior use, it is ideal for marine applications in a saltwater environment but can also be used on other vehicles with a 12-volt system. Connection is simple with only 4 wires, and does not require an onboard air system. This means that a compressor and air tank are not required to crash the seas.